Y'all know this game here? Saturday vibes. Uno. Ooh, look at that big plane. Ooh. You know when somebody's scared when they pull this card here.
Come out with your business. Don't hurt.
We are heading towards it. Towards the finish line. Hey, look at his face. Look at his face. Let's hit it. Yay. Bam.
Come on.
Hit it.
Bam, man. You got too much. You're trying to do it.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me pull my 8 cards. How far we reach now there?
4-4. There was no leading by 4.
Alright.
Come
back.
on, you're back, man. I ain't done
Nothing
yet.
wrong with a good comeback. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.
No, man.
Giddy up.
Giddy up. Don't worry, man. Coming around the back stretch now. Heading for home ground.
Alright. Stay tuned, guys. Let's see who win this one.
They already know.
See who wish. Alright.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, if we don't let win the games, it won't be no fun. Then you will go inside.
No, we need a 6 love straight. What you say about that?
I start games that straight, man. 6 love, what? 26 love? I like the competition.
Some mango, some rum punch. And a fun-filled game. Stay tuned, guys. Let me show you guys in. Let me show you. Hold on.
So loser, what's the score?
2-2.
So how are you losing?
Yeah, but as soon as I won, now you're trying to see.
I ain't trying to see nothing.
Saturday morning vibes. Mr. Grover and I here watering the plants. Nature's blessing. See how pretty they are?
Oh, big yellow one here. Another yellow one there.
Where? It has a hole, a big hole.
That's part of nature.
Amen. Some for you, some for the nature. And we are going to be bird parents as well. Can't see it? Oh, it's right there. What's the name of this tree again? A fig tree. They coming in little by little. So those are figs. They're now coming in. Where's the parsley? So we got tomatoes, celery, parsley, tomatoes. What's the name of this fruit? It's a fruit, guys. It doesn't have on anything right now. If y'all know what it is, leave a link down below. Tell us the name of it. They gonna know what it is. See? Close up. Y'all know what it is. It's growing nice red fruit. That's a hint. Hot to club. Hot, nice, and sexy. What is this? Put the link down below, guys. So put there. What are those? Scotch bonnets. pepper is up there.
Take my hand, come see the view. This happy life is calling you. We're living that life, that glow, that vibe. Come take a ride on the bright side. Food, fun, love on replay. Growing our lifestyles.
Reaper. Y'all hear the names of the peppers? No Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, Scotch bonnet too soft.
Sorry, Scotch bonnet.
You know what I'm saying?
Last year you was here. This year we went for the more potent peppers. And scallion. Where's the thyme? Thyme is here too. Who say you can't grow things in your backyard? Huh?
As a man, so shall you reap.
See the peppers them budding? Saturday morning vibes in the Grosvenor's lifestyle. Backyard. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Apple. Koi fish. Where them go? Oh, there they go. Hold on. That's our babies. Peace of mind. Woo.